everyone, this is Learn Korean with Kim. Today we are gonna see the difference between Korean present tense, and one is 씁니다 and the other one is 아요, 어요. So this part is more formal way to say things. So you can hear it inside of news or in very formal situation. Second one is more casual way, but still the way you say with people like strangers or older people. So let's get it started. So we'll first start with hello. So how do you say hello? 안녕하세요. 안녕하십니까? It's the formal way, and the casual way is 안녕하세요. 안녕하십니까? So the question way to say 씁니다 is 십니까? And the way to make question out of 아요, 어요, it's the same way, but you just go up with the intonation. 안녕하십니까? 안녕하세요. This time, let's say it's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It is. 맛있습니다. So 씁니다 at the end. But if we want to say it in the casual way, we can say 맛있어요. You can say this way. 맛있어요. Also, if we want to say, oh, it's good. It's good. We say 좋습니다. And in casual way, we say 좋아요. So we can say go. I will go. I go. We say 갑니다. And 가요. So here I'll tell you when to use the first one or the second one. So for instance, we have 읍니다 and 씁니다. So the verb stem, for instance, 가다, 오다, such as these two, the 가다 means go, 오다 means come. There is just consonant and then verb, right? There's nothing in the bottom. So it's just consonant and verb. We normally put this, 갑니다, 옵니다. So we say 갑니다, 옵니다. So in this time, we use 비읍니다. But if we have the verb stem with something in the bottom, the consonant in the bottom, for instance, let's say 먹다, which is eat, and 앉다, which is to sit. In this case, we put 씁니다 at the end. So we say 먹습니다. And then 앉습니다. So these all four are formal ways to say the present tense, but the difference is if there is the consonant in the bottom of the stem verb. So here there's no consonant, it's just 가, but here you have 기역 in the bottom. So that's the difference. And this difference makes a lot, like big difference in Korean. So whether you have the consonant in the bottom or not, that actually makes like this kind of change. So you should be aware if there's consonant or not. So for ayo and oyo, so I'll give you two examples for 먹다, which is to eat, because it has the vowel we put 먹, 어요. And for 가요, 가다, which is to go, it's 가아. So 가요. Just say 가요. So a or o has to do with the vowels right in front of it, the vowel of the stem word. So let's do some practice. Okay, so let's practice and review some of the words that we learned today. So first, how to say to go in Korean? It is 가다. And to say it into a formal way, how do we say it? Yes, because there's nothing behind, nothing in the bottom, right? So we say 갑니다. And how can we make it into a question form? 갑니까? When you make it into a question. And let's say it into a casual way. How do we say it? Yes, 가요. 가요. And number two. 오다. What is 오다 means? It's to come. Right? To come. So how can we put this into a formal way? Yes, 옵니다. How do we form it into a question way? It's 옵니까? Yes, you just change the 다 into 까 to ask question in formal way. And then lastly, how can we change it into casual way? Okay, 와요. 와요. This is because O and then yo, we can put this O, together to make it into 와요. 와요. And then number three, to eat. What is it? 먹다. 먹다 is to eat. How can I form into formal way? 먹습니다. Because there's consonant in the bottom, right? This 기역. So that's why we say 먹습니다. And then how do we make it into a question form? 먹습니까? The da becomes 까. And then how do we make it into casual way? Because it's right? yo. Good job. So how do we make this one into a question form? Yes, we just changed the intonation. 먹어요? 먹어요? And the last one today, it's 앉다. What does it mean? Yes, it's to sit. So how can you form it into a formal way? Yes, 앉습니다. And how can we make it into a question way? 앉습니까? So we change this 다 into 까. And then casual way. Because it's right? yo. 앉아요. 앉아요. And into a question, we change the intonation and say 앉아요, 앉아요. So today we learned the present tense, the formal way and the casual way. And in formal way, we could choose between these two depending on whether or not you have, we say 받침 in Korean, the consonant in the bottom. And the casual way, there was ayo, oyo. This depended on the vowels of the stem word. So thank you for watching my video today. I hope to see you again in my next video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye. Learn Korean with Kim.